Well, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is about the oil change on my Hellcat. I just reached the 15,000 mile mark, so it's 15,003 miles. I reached it last weekend, and today I changed the oil. I'm still doing it. It's in progress. So I already reset the oil life to 100% now, and I already reset the trip info, trip B, that's for oil change. I always reset it and track it that way. So what I did, I don't know if I mentioned it, but I don't think I mentioned it already. What I do before each oil change, I am flushing the engine with clean oil basically, and I usually buy the Amsoil and 0W40, and when I drain the dirty oil out of it, after I take the oil filter off, I put another new filter on. I use the Mopar oil filter for that, and I screw it on, and I fill it up with the Amsoil. So after what I do, I run it for like 10 minutes, idle it, so it flushes the engine basically, and then I drain out that oil, and after that I change the oil filter to the K&N, and then I refill it with the Amsoil, what I always use for the car. That's the best oil so far. And here is the dirty oil with the Mopar oil filter on it. That's what I use for flush the engine. And here is the oil filter, the M0899, and here is the old filter, the K&N, which one ran for 3,000 miles almost, actually 1,500 miles, because I'm changing it every 1,500 miles. It's a 2010 HP-2010 filter, but I already talked about that. I never talk about the engine flushing. So if you want your engine to run for a long time, then you should do the same thing. And here are the oil I'm using: 0W40, all 7 quarts. That's the 7th one over there. And here is the box of the brand new filter. It's the HP-2010. So that's on the car already. It's up there. I already screwed on. This is a nice Hellcat logo on the bottom of the oil pan. So I already put the screws back, and here is the drainage for the cooler, for the oil cooler. And put that one back. So, and I'm already putting the new oil in, the Amsoil 0W40, and if you want your Mopar run for a long time without problems, without engine problems, obviously, you should use the Amsoil. That's what I recommend. First I heard about Amsoil on online. That's a tuning company in Forza Tuning in Florida, and he said that he always puts Amsoil in all the cars he's working on. So since I heard that, I'm using this oil, no other than Amsoil, and I never will use another oil into my any cars. And so this is my other car. This is my daily. I just got it. It's a 2021 Toyota Corolla S, and I will do a review about this little thing. I know it's not a Hellcat, but it's an awesome little car. I will review it in my next video. There is the inside. I have 990 miles on, as you can see on the odometer. It's a nice little car. So it has awesome wheels and everything. I love it. But this one I will never. And I also ordered the oil from Amsoil to the Corolla also. It's a 0W16 oil, what it takes. So whenever my oil changes comes up, I will use that oil in there also. So alright everybody, I think I said everything I wanted to say about the oil change. So when I finish draining, pouring all the oil in, then I will go and wash the car because it's pretty filthy. Last weekend it was raining and I was out with the car, and it got really dirty. But it's okay, I will wash it today. So alright everybody, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe and share my video, and see you on the next one. Have a great day.